think we're gonna have this done in like 2 seconds and we'll get started with it. Yeah, I'll take this. Hey, good morning guys. So we're starting a job today where we're ripping out the driveway. There's a lot of control joints on it. So probably what I'm gonna do is just split it in half. Not that we can't do it, it's just that we don't want the pressure of say dealing with all the control joints. So we're gonna get all the concrete ripped up, and then we're gonna start sending some forms and get ready. Today's Tuesday. Thursday we're gonna pour. Friday's the next pour. So let's get started. Morning. How you doing? How are you? Yeah, so just measure it. So you go right to, that's the actual measurement right there. So you want it like on the line or like right in it? Alright, so we got everything all ready to go. I just measured out everything for expansion, and now we're gonna rip out, get this thing piled up. I think we're gonna have this done in like 2 seconds, so I'll see if I could call Suffolk, get that truck over here sooner than later. Customer's going to get Wawa coffee. So that's something to really look forward to because it's freezing out right now. So it's supposed to be like springtime, but it's cold. So, but it'll be, that'll warm us up, I guess. But yeah, let's get started. We'll jackhammer some holes, get the forks into the holes, and then we'll get started with it. Earplugs? Yes. I wear them. I'm ready now. The concrete's coming up easy, so you know I was expecting it to fight us.
Okay, I'll tell her you're ready as soon as she gets the truck, so you're ready to go now.
Yeah.
So, and if she's sending anything, I'll have her call you.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Thanks. Okay.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Pour out of the side liquid.
Yeah, just blew a line.
Suffolk.
Hey Jody, how you doing? It's Charlie.
Hi.
Yeah, you know what? Let's keep that truck for 2 o'clock. I just blew a line on my machine, so I have to. It'll still work out time-wise, but I gotta get this fixed.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So.
All right, you got it.
All right. Thanks. Okay.
You're talking about the roll-off, right?
Roll off. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
You
All
got
right.
it.
Thanks. Just don't get oil on that, but sweep stuff into that. Sweep from over here. Yeah, we said don't stay underneath the bucket. That's why. What? It blew a hydraulic line. So you see the bucket drop? Did you see that?
No, I did. I saw some sort of squirting on the side.
No, the bucket dropped down. Just boom. I'm glad it happened now. Line blue here. Alright, so I blew a hydraulic line on the machine. I don't know how much was caught on the last clip, but you know, we're trying to pick up this big piece of slab. That's why I blew, but it's also not why I blew. It's because the line was just old. So luckily we're actually thankfully we're right down the road from Napa Auto Parts, which you know, they make lines there, so you could see that it is this hydraulic line running right from there, looping around, going back to there. This for the arm, so it kind of worked out good. It's not one of those lines that goes deep into the machine or gives trouble. So James should be back with a new line, and then also some 1030 weight motor oil. So yeah, that's what the machine calls for. So we'll get this on, and then we'll get going again. So we're just about to knock this out and get it done, but you know, it was that was our I had a feeling I was going to blow a line today, so it's funny that happened. And I just told the roll off that they could come earlier, but then I called them back and said, no, don't come yet, not ready. So we'll get this taken care of, then we'll get going again. Stevie, yeah, that's great. Yeah, I'll take that from. That's great. Thank you so much.
They're in my pocket.
I appreciate it.
And then there's little donuts if you'd like some. I don't
Thank
know
you.
if you eat donuts.
Sometimes.
Okay.
Maybe today.
Okay.
Thank you so much. All right, cool. Yeah, I'll take this.
On us over here.
Yeah, it's good. That was it pretty easy?
Yeah, I just had to wait for him to come back for like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. Cool. She got you a coffee and a donut.
Really?
Yeah, it's over in the back of the truck. Hey Jody, it's Charlie calling. So we're back in business again. So if you want to send the roll off, we're good to go.
Okay, he's just, he would have called me about 30 seconds before. He's going to Lakewood to swap the box, and then I'll send him.
Oh, so he's gonna be coming straight from Lakewood, or he has to dump off at your yard first, right?
Yeah, he's got to dump off at my yard.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, that sounds good.
Okay, and then he'll be there.
All right, what are you looking at? Maybe like 1 o'clock?
11, 12. Yeah, should be about then.
All right, cool. That sounds good. Thank you.
All right, got it.
Okay, bye. Yeah, so I just dumped off dirt. I actually got stuck when I was there. The roll-off's going to be at the job. It kind of sucked up all my time. Battery is dead on the trailer, so I have to get a new battery. So kind of like one thing after another going wrong, but you know, it's like starting to panic a little bit because I'm like 20 minutes away from the job and I was stuck and the battery's dead and all that stuff. But you know, I managed to kind of get things going, got the truck out. I didn't want to disconnect and all that stuff. It would have just been a lot of work. So I'm actually heading back to the job now. The roll-off's going to be there pretty much the same time as me. He might beat me by a few minutes. But I'm just trying to just get back there and just get him loaded real quick. I'm actually starving too, so I'll take lunch right afterwards. So back into concrete and all the challenges. I gotta say, that's what makes it fun now. You know, is one challenge after another, I guess. So let's get back there, we'll get the concrete out, get another load of dirt. Then I gotta bring in some base too, because there was no base underneath this driveway. The roll-off just pulled up to the job. I'm 5 minutes out behind a slow truck. He's going 30 miles per hour. It's 45. Traffic lights. I just have to make it to the next traffic light, then I turn right, shoot down there a little bit, and then we're good. So I'll be there in a few minutes. Hopefully he's good. I'll just get him loaded really quick. Oh man, I'm in the biggest rush in the world. You got 29 and a 35, going a little faster. Let's see if we can get up to 32. Alright, so we're in the neighborhood. I made it through the gatehouse, no problem. A few minutes away now, so we're right around the corner. Hey, what's up?
What's going on, man?
How you doing? Good to see you.
What's going on now, my friend?
How are you? Good. How's the hauling the concrete business going?
It's not even getting busy yet. Which is nice.
That's crazy. Man. That's crazy.
Yep. It's never happened ever. 2 in 1 day.
Yeah. That's crazy. You know, I'm just gonna lower this. Well, how much is it for overtime?
For me?
Yeah.
I'm on the clock. You pay me whatever,
What's the clock?
whenever you get done.
But how much is it for extra
I
time?
don't know. You gotta click with Miss Jody.
Because I could go get a line real quick. Apple's right here.
Yeah.
This is the second line we blew today. Crazy. Hey Jody. Hey, if I threw on an extra half hour of time, well, first of all, when loading a dumpster, how much time do you have? When loading up one of your dumpsters, how much time do you give? You're good hanging out, right? All right.
I don't know if else to do.
All right, good. So I'll pop this line up because this is still a lot of concrete.
Yeah, I have more than enough room in there.
2 in 1 day, crazy. 2 lines 1 day. Got stuck, dead battery in the trailer. I don't know.
What is this line down here is broke, right?
Caught it right here. Yep. At least it didn't go on my face this time. Last time.
Oh, I've been there. You saw the one in the garbage truck broke.
Really?
The piston
Oh
seal.
my gosh.
I was covered from head to toe and toe to head.
I guess it wasn't hot though, right?
Oh, yes, it was.
It was. Blew a hydraulic line. No, I blew a hydraulic line. So we're gonna do a quick switch and then get going again.
Do a little bit of everything.
Uh-huh. Thank God for Napa, right?
Yeah.
People don't know that they
A
make
lot
lines.
of people don't know that
Yeah, it's crazy.
they make lines.
Yeah, because when you deal with these other places, they're such a pain. You know, all these, they turn into a big deal. Napa
I
just
think
does.
there's another guy right around the corner down on 9.
You just hold it open. So he's charging me money right now.
Not me. I'm Billy is.
Man, you're an expensive friend, let me tell you. You cost $130 an hour to hang out with. Yep. That's that line. Mm-hmm. Everybody gets mad because I put 1030 in the machine. Opposite side though. Yeah. That was the right side. You know what it is? It's rubbing on the corners. You see those corners? Yeah. It's rubbing. It's a problem. Thank you.
You might get here shop club there.
You're good. Here it is.
Beautiful thing.
Yes. Yeah, we have an appreciation for hydraulic lines, right?
Hey.
I don't even want to know how much this one costs. What do you think?
50.
You think? Nah, I think it's like 160. How much was this?
I didn't give you the. Come on, we're making a bet. And you're paying for it.
Yeah, if I win, that means you don't charge me for the downtime. That's a great deal.
Yeah.
Should I take this hose right here and go over top of this one so it holds it? Because that's the problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
This way you don't have that problem.
Yeah.
Smart thing.
All right. That's because you're here. Thank you. Hey, why don't you say hi to me?
I said hi, wait.
So we took some dirt out. What's good about this job is all the utilities are nice and low. So we checked for them. You know, we don't have to go that deep, but they're not in that range. So it's perfect. Usually the utilities are like right at the top. You know, it's crazy. And they're very difficult to work around, but this neighborhood here, they put them deep like they're supposed to, so it's good. So we're gonna run this dirt real quick, and then we'll come back and bring some base in and just a little bit more dirt coming out, and we'll be good to go. We're gonna back up more, right? I just dumped off a load of dirt. Now let's go get some base. All right, get some another load of base and then rebar too. 3/8 rebar. This association calls for rebar, so that's why we're putting it in. And we need expansion too, regular expansion. I need 8 of those.
6-inch?
Yeah. Should I get 9 in case I break one?
10. Oh, they're bundled.
They're bundled in 10?
Bundles of 10, but I mean, I'll cut. What do you want?
No, do 10 because then it won't break, right?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. It stays together better if I give you a whole bundle.
All right.
All right?
Sounds good.
What do you get now?
I'm gonna get a base. Base and then.
I'll get that. I'll put it with the rebar.
Okay. Thanks.
Yo, that's 6-inch?
6. He's a character, that guy. I have a video of him where it's pretty funny. I forget what job it was, but we're like way back there. Oh, nice. Gotta get 4, thanks. All right, thanks, man.
Just the rebar. All right.
The black, yeah, I'll throw the expansion inside the
Rebar, not putting that on top.
yeah, it's 20 foot, so I'd love not to, but I have to, I guess, right? Go right up top with it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Tell me how far forward you want.
All right.
Cab.
I thought you were a professional.
What's that?
I thought you were a professional.
I am, but yo, some people care. Some people are very weird.
Let's see if you could do this.
Yeah, I'm saying you want me to go that way more?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, just move your thing over. There we go.
We'll move. It's easy to slide.
Yep.
Like,
I use my skid steer to lift it off, and my skid steer maxes out where I have to curl it.
yeah, but this ain't that heavy.
Yeah, but I could barely reach it.
So you want it against the edge?
Yeah. Yeah, so what I do is I put clamps on my forks.
Okay.
So it doesn't slide back. Now I just hope for the best after that.
Is that good?
Yeah, perfect. Hey, hold on. You gotta go up.
Oh, you got a problem, Houston.
Yeah, you got a problem. Nice.
All right, we're good?
We're good. I gotta
Get out of here.
All right. Let's see what my wife made me today for lunch. Looks like world famous banana pancakes. I actually had these this morning. I threw these in as like a little extra snack. Kale salad. Cheeseburgers with no cheese and sweet potatoes. Looks good. So I have to go get one more load of base, but I have to dump this dirt off, so I'm gonna head out real quick and get that. Hey, what's going on? Let's get back to the job. tricky, right? Problem is your eye can't follow it. It gets lost.
I know the one that you had poking out, I just kept hearing it.
Just be careful, there's strings everywhere.
No, I'm going that way.
Yeah, you got a trip line right there, so don't come out.
No, I'm going the around.
Alright guys, so we're out of here. We're, me and James are gonna go to Burger 25, our favorite place. And we'll see you in the morning. Concrete truck here in the morning, 8 o'clock. We'll be here 6:30. Doing some prep, a little more, and then we're gonna do our pour, so part 1, and then Friday is the final. So tomorrow's Thursday, then Friday. Alright, see you guys in the morning. You got enough room?
I'm gonna turn around, Jesus.
Okay. Why don't you move my truck out of the way?
Just gotta pull up a little bit.
Okay.
Just so this water's past the driveway a little.
Yeah, okay.
I can turn around down there, right?
Yeah, yep. I love that guy.
Keep it stiffer for that, and then we can put a little water for this one.
Okay.
I'll put a little behind here,
Okay. We can pull it in.
and then we'll, you know what I mean? So there's some here, so when you pull the board,
Yeah. Okay.
and that way it's stiffer, it's not gonna move.
Yeah. Okay.
I did all those golf cart trails all around, paved
That
them.
must have been a piece of cake.
No, they didn't have no little paver.
He's like a legend. Oh yeah. He's gonna start here and he's gonna go that way. Stop. Just don't turn your wheel when you back up. Right against it.
Start pushing against this?
Yeah, you can. Yep. Yeah, you know what? I'll mess with that spot because I still have to cut in the rest of the joints.
Alright, I didn't add like after the wood.
Yeah, you're good.
Good?
Yeah, I gotta do a control joint. But yeah, if you jump on this here.
How should I come on the other side and hop over?
Yeah, oh yeah, come over here. All right, so we're all pretty good, pretty set up. I gotta put a center control joint in now, right here, right there. And after that, we'll be ready for broom. Picture. All right, so we got the rebar down. Tomorrow morning we just have to put our expansion on. Put a 2x with expansion through here. Will be set. So I got the wood cutter ready too, so we don't have to set up the saw. Just put it in tomorrow morning and we'll be ready. So yeah, so we're out of here and we'll pick back up in the morning. Hey, good morning guys. Okay, so we got the day 2 of the pour. Truck will be here soon. We're all set up. We got here early morning and just trying to get everything done that we can, get the machine on, just so when we don't have too much to do afterwards. Now we're going to come this way. Stop the wind. Okay.
I ride my own beans every night. I have everything ready. I get up at 4 o'clock, 4
Oh man, really? That's the time to wake up. I like that time. Do you want to make some coffee?
That's like the latest I get up.
I'll just drink it black on the guitar.
All right. Really? Wow. I bumped it up in the morning. We gotta get a center joint real quick, so we gotta definitely cut that in real quick before we have trouble with it. Yep, it's good.
I think it's hitting the plastic for a second, so.
Yeah, it's good. See how it's a little crooked right there? So there, right there. So the people that just came by that you guys saw, they were, me and James figured it out that they're not just your regular homeowners, they're the board coming over, and they're, it's funny because the guy actually asked me, he's like, oh, nice driveway, and they're like, it looks really nice, and then they're like, nice job, and then he's like, he says to me, you know, how many inches is that? And I'm like, 6 inches with has like 4,000 PSI with rebar and microfiber. And they're like, oh. And they walk away and they have a clipboard in their hand. They get in a car and drive away. And we realized after it was the board, because you have to do a final inspection. So he was just checking to see how thick this is, you know, because I think they're real strict. But hey, we don't have anything to hide. Alright, so we're just wrapping up now. The driveway's done. So second half, you know, it was challenging, like I said, with all the expansion joint. You know, if we're trying to do the whole thing ourselves with me and James, it would be a lot of concrete to do. So, I mean, we'd throw retarder packs in it, but I just didn't want to overwork us, you know, we were using two. So, yeah, so, and plus the truck was, this is a 10-yard driveway, and so now you got 11 yards. Honestly, I think it would have ran short, but it's good. You know, we got the same mix and everything, so it's gonna turn the same color. And but yeah, so customers happy, job looks great. See you guys on the next one.
Oh, you got a problem.
Yeah, you got a problem.